This video has made me close to $2,000 in less than 3 weeks. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a video like this completely for free with two free AI tools. Now, you already know about one of these tools, but you probably do not know that Elon Musk's Grok has an amazing image generator and an insanely good video generator. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with these two AI tools, and you can start today. Now, there are a lot of ways that you can make money with AI using these two tools, but I'm going to show you the two that, or the three that I'm actually doing right now. This two, I'm actually starting it and it has been going amazing, and I'm going to show you. And then the other one, I've talked about it a couple of weeks back when I tried to explain how to make money with Nano Banana, and it involves creating images for brands. Now with Grok, we can take it a step further. We've taken it a step further now. It is amazing. I can't even start explaining how amazing this is, but let me just get right into the video so you understand what I mean. Now, if you've not heard about AI influencers, it is huge right now, and there are a lot of ways that AI influencers are actually making money. They are getting endorsement deals. They're making hundreds of thousands of dollars yearly in this age. Now, you might think that is quite far-fetched, but I'm telling you it isn't. This video that I'm showing you now and a bunch of others, they've actually made me a whole lot of money, and I'm just going to get right into the video so you can see what I'm saying. Now, first of all, the first way that you can start making money with Grok and Nano Banana is by creating an AI influencer. Now, that is the longer route, but it would pay you for the long run. It's take a little bit of time for you to build a following, but trust me, I just started an account yesterday and I am already getting views. You can see I already have 48 likes for this account. Now, this is not I've not bought these likes. This is like organic reach from Instagram. This is a brand new account. You can see I have just 14 followers on this account. Now, I'm going to show you the first way that you can start making money now with Nano Banana and Grok. Now, the first way now, if I go on to Grok now, you can see this images that I've actually generated for my AI influencers. Now, this one here, the one with the yellow letters suit, is for marketing that I am going to show you. This works with if you're reaching out to brands and helping them create content. That is the second way. Now, I'm just going to show you the first AI influencer. Now, I created this AI influencer completely from scratch, literally, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Now, if you want to do this, you can use any image generator of your choice. After you've gotten your first base image, the next thing you have to do is for you to use Nano Banana to generate more images of the character. Now, an AI influencer, you can go any route. As you can see, I have two different directions. That I have a futuristic cartoon-ish 3D kind of character that looks realistic. Then I have a hyper-realistic character, which is this one here. Now, you can see she's in the gym working out. She's here texting with her phone. This is not a real human being. This is completely AI generated. If I click here, but you will not be able to tell. But if you look in the background, you will see somehow the TV disappears. That's the only way you're going to tell that this is AI generated. And for a lot of people, especially for the elderly, they might not even have an idea that this is AI generated. They will think this is an actual person. Now, this is one of my AI influencers. Now, for you to create something like this, you can literally just go on, if you have an image that you, a kind of person that you like, you can feed that image to ChatGPT or Gemini, ask them to create the prompt for you to generate a similar character. Now, you can go that route, or you can generate the fresh character from scratch with your own prompts. Now, once you have your base character, you want to make sure that it is high quality, so you can go on somewhere like Pixel Cut and upscale the image to make sure that your base image has a high quality. Then you can come over to Gemini and use Nano Banana to get more variations of that character in different scenes. So you can see here I have the model in a rustic kind of building. You can see here I asked her to be in a cafe. You can see she's actually fiddling with her phone. You think this is an actual image of someone leaving, but you wouldn't know that this is an AI character generated image. You can see here she's in the gym. These are the images, and I generated all of this for free, completely free, using Nano Banana. Now, after I generated this, I went to Grok. Now, if you don't know about Grok's video generator, it is absolutely insane. You can do any style of video with it. Now you can do speech, so you can literally generate your character talking like a real human being. Now, if you think I'm kidding, let me play this video for you so you can see what I'm saying.
Is quality stuff, and I'm excited I got it.
You can see this is literally an AI generated
This bag
image
is
and
quality
video
stuff,
that
and I'm
Grok
excited I got it.
completely generated for me. It is absolutely insane. Now, this is you. If I didn't tell you, you wouldn't have been able to tell that this is AI generated. If I just mute the audio, you would think that this is an actual human being that is actually modeling this bag. Now, if you watched my last video, this image was the one I created with Nano Banana when I reached out to a brand and decided to do a better image for their marketing content. Now, that's the second way. I'm going to explain that now. So once you have your image, you can come over here to Grok, and you can choose on click on imagine. You can generate images here, you can generate video. So you just want to click on attach, and then you can upload an image that you want. So let's say I want to upload this image of her in the cafe. I'll just upload it. Once you upload it, it will automatically start generating a video. Now, once it starts generating a video, you can actually wait for it to generate the video, or you can click for for it to put your own custom prompts. Now, these prompts would be what you want the character to do, but for that I just like to wait, because right off the bat it generates amazing videos for without any prompts. So you will see here all of the videos I have there, I generated them without prompts, besides the one talking about the brand. Now you can see it takes like a few seconds to generate a video from the image with audio. Now you can see she's sipping the coffee and she's dropping a cup. This is absolutely insane. You can see someone walk past and you can see a car. This is insane. You can literally not tell that this is AI generated. It is mind blowing. Now, you can start an Instagram account, a TikTok account, whatever account you have in mind, and you can start posting this, and then you gain a following, and then you can literally be either a fitness influencer, a fashion influencer, whatever it is, and you get paid to promote people's content. Now, Nano Banana would literally let you put any outfit on any model. So let's say this is my character and I want to change the outfit. I could literally come to Nano Banana and then decide to ask Nano Banana to put wear a dress that maybe if I'm marketing a dress for a brand, I'll literally put that dress on my AI influencer, and that's the way it works, and I get paid. Super easy. Now the next way is for you to reach out to brands. Now the way you reach out, you do this is the easiest way for you to see brands that are willing to pay is for you to go to Facebook Ads Library. Now Facebook Ads Library is where you're going to see a lot of brands that are actively advertising on Facebook. You can literally just come here and look at their contents that they're advertising. I got this image that I have here on Grok here from a brand that was advertising this bag. Now this bag was a bag I just screenshotted. If you watch my last video, I screenshotted the bag and then I imputed it into Nano Banana with this image of this model. I made the model to model the bag. Amazing. So you can literally come here and reach out to brands to create realistic videos for them or images for them, so you could promote their content better. Now these brands, they have money to spend because they actually are actively running ads, and most times their ads images are really bad. They don't even have images or videos that are actually high quality. You can literally offer them to provide them with that content. That's the second way you can make money. There are a plethora of ways that you can start making money with Nano Banana and Grok. And this is just like me scratching the surface. It is absolutely insane. I don't want to make this video too long or too lengthy, so I don't bore you to death, but this is what I'm actually doing now. I'm actively doing this. I do digital marketing, and Nano Banana and Grok has absolutely made me a whole lot of money in the past 1 month that I have ever made in a month with digital marketing, because I have just upped my game. I can create content now for brands. I can help them sell more of their products, and in turn they'll pay me because I'm offering them good service. That's how insane this is. So I hope you take advantage of Nano Banana and Grok. Sora 2 just got released about 2 days ago, but it's quite pricey, just like VO3. You can literally use Grok now because it is completely free. Grok is free, Nano Banana is free, and the quality you get out of Grok and Nano Banana is absolutely insane for a free platform. So you can just get started with the both of them right now and see how it goes. I'll see you in the next video.